It's so bad because I was honestly about to go out and buy some hair, and then you know how your mom would be like, we got food at the house, we got hair at the house. I don't need to buy no more hair. I need to finish this first before I could do anything else. I actually was sent some hair from OQHair that I need to put on my head before I could even think about another style. Ooh, this box is cute. I like when companies have like little cute boxes like that. That's super adorable. Crown yourself queen of hair today. Wow.
You make me blush.
Got a melting band. Got some mink lashes. These lashes actually don't look bad. I feel like usually the lashes that be coming with wigs and stuff look crazy. Like crazy. Got an elastic band to make it real snug. I almost never use those for real, but we'll see how this wig is fitting. Got a stocking cap. Never have enough of those. Never have enough of those. I love a cute unboxing. That was adorable. Ooh, this is a hair. This is supposed to be their Kinky Curly texture. So this is the inside of the cap. It has a string holding the V part together, and it has combs all along where the part would be. This is a V part wig, so I'm going to be installing this without leave out because the idea of having to blend my 4C hair into this, though it might, I'm not trying to risk it, so we're gonna do a no leave out type of situation. So pause. I actually did end up wearing this wig with the miniest of minimal leave outs, and it blended pretty well in my opinion. It really gave natural after I cut it up and gave it some shape. But yeah, anyways, they definitely sprayed something on this hair because it smells so good. I'm still gonna wash it, but it smells clean, and that's always 10 out of 10. So this is my braid pattern. I really didn't feel like making small intricate braids because that's not going to benefit the install in any way since it is a V part. The only thing that matters is having this wherever your part's going to be, making sure that line is defined and making sure that the rest of your cornrows are going down. So I just washed the hair. The curls are like super defined right now. Off rip, I could tell that I am going to need that elastic band just so that it fits a little bit more snug on my head, because y'all know I got a tiny head, but that will help make it more secure. I clipped it into place, but if you have a larger size head, this is gonna fit you perfectly. Snug as a bug in a rug, honestly. I'm going to take this strand, put it underneath my hair, and then pull it. And I'm gonna keep doing that on repeat. And it's already giving out the scalp. Minimal effort required. And after I did both sides, this is how it was looking. Like, this crochet V-part method literally took me 15 minutes to do. It's so simple and a lifesaver if you're not trying to have any leave out. But let me know if y'all try it. Okay, bye.